If you're like me, then you've probably owned several electric toothbrushes before, and you're probably a little sick of the same boring design. Well, the Movigor electric toothbrush is the complete opposite of boring. It's collapsible, it's portable, and it's powerful. In fact, this is the only electric toothbrush I've ever had that cleans itself, so the UV light will sanitize the bristles every time it is folded. This toothbrush is world's first self-cleaning foldable electric toothbrush. It has 15-degree curved humpback brush rod. Also, it is equipped with industrial-grade 4800 mAh battery that supports daily use of the device for over 90 days per charge. Basically, you can brush twice per day and let Movigor self-clean using its unique technology, charging the device only 3 to 4 times per year. This toothbrush has a UV photocatalyst to self-clean, so when you close it, the UV sterilizer will sterilize all the bacteria on the brush head itself. And you don't have to do anything extra. It just automatically self-cleans. The buds are located on the front of the electric toothbrush, so you won't have to worry about accidentally pressing them and turning off the electric toothbrush while brushing. The brush head is outfitted with DuPont faux fur, which means that it won't scratch your teeth and gums. Plus, the brush head is detachable. You can easily replace it when it needs replacing. It has 13 levels of cleaning with 14 knots of strength. 10 levels of gum massage with 10 knots of strength. This toothbrush is quite compact and slim, and you could put it in your bag, and it's very portable and easy to carry around. And when you want to use it, you just unfold it and it's ready to use. In conclusion, if you're looking for an electric toothbrush that features a unique design, then look no further than the Movigor electric toothbrush. So, that was my review on the Movigor electric toothbrush. I hope you found this review useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.